Yes, Rajay, next topic is there, which is degradation. Simply the conversion of complex material into simple molecules. Conversion of complex material into simple material, it is called degradation. ठीक है. Materials that can undergo physical and chemical degradation are called biodegradable materials. You know very well बच्चे what are biodegradable, like domestic waste, which is household waste, it comes in the biodegradable material. Means they easily converted into complex material into simple molecules. ठीक है, within the help of physical and chemical degradation. Now what is physical and chemical degradation here? By the action of microorganisms, like with the help of bacteria and fungi. After some time, after 15 or 20 days, ठीक है, that waste, household waste will converted into decomposition with the help of, means these bacteria and fungi will produce naturally. ठीक है, with these microorganisms easily that substance which are household will be converted into simpler substances. Here organic matter or the dead remains of the plants and animals undergo decomposition to form simpler components that I have explained you now. The physical and chemical breakdown is brought about by bacteria and saprophytes. ठीक है, bacteria and saprophytes, these are types of microorganisms only. This process of degradation by microorganisms is also a part of the nitrogen cycle. How it is the part of nitrogen cycle, बच्चे, we have done in first chapter. I am explaining again. First of all, we know that atmospheric nitrogen in the atmosphere, that nitrogen is converted into nitrogen compound with the help of rhizobium bacteria. ठीक है, now it is intaked by plants in the form of protein. वो प्लांट ने ले ली. ठीक है, अब पहले क्या थी, एटमॉस्फेयर में थी, फिर प्लांट्स में चली गई और दोबारा एटमॉस्फेयर में कैसे आएगी रजे? व्हेन आफ्टर 1 or 2 years. ठीक है, जो प्लांट्स हैं, लाइक बड़े बड़े फॉरेस्ट होते हैं, जो प्लांट्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं, ठीक है, उनकी जो वेस्ट है वो क्या होती है, किस में कन्वर्ट होती है? मीन्स अगेन इट विल मिक्सड इनटू द सॉइल. ठीक है, तो वो जो नाइट्रोजन थी वो तो प्लांट्स ने ली थी. दिस प्रोसेस मीन्स अगेन इट विल मिक्सड आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स विल बी डेड आउट, देन अगेन इट विल मिक्सड इनटू द soil. ठीक है, अगेन दैट soil is, then plants will grow in that soil. So like this the whole nitrogen cycle will be made out. ठीक है, in which nitrogen is released by the decomposition of organic matter is then used by plants as a nutrient. Means again if the all plants, dead plants and animals will be mixed into the soil, then plants will be grown in that soil, then that nutrients will be taken out by plants again. So this whole nitrogen cycle is made out. ठीक है, imagine what would happen if these microorganisms didn't act upon the dead remains. The whole earth would be filled with dead and waste material. Means if microorganisms will not be there, then how complex material will be converted into simple molecules. ठीक है, then many, ठीक है, lot of dead and waste material will be there. So because of that, in degradation microorganisms have a important role. ठीक है.